Okay, we're out in beautiful Joshua Tree National Park, and nice low 90s in the middle of the afternoon. But we are in a Cholla forest, a jumping Cholla forest. And the way these plants propagate is they get these little pups. Want to come closer? And if you walk by an animal or human and you brush up against them, they'll cling to you, and these little pups will then get, ooh, careful, these little pups will then get carried by you or what animal through the, until they drop off, and then a new cholla will grow from this. You can see the fruit here, and these produce a really lovely yellow flower in the spring. So just imagine this place in bloom with the yellow flowers. And I've never seen a cholla forest like this, but like in a 360, or as you can see, we just have this beautiful cholla. And they're growing, if you notice the soil, this is called a bajada, and it's like gravel, and so water doesn't sit in here, and it percolates down below. And so xerophytes are the types of plants that live here on the bajadas, and one of their characteristics is they all have incredibly deep, long roots, and they've also all adapted. Like in this case, we don't even have any leaves. The chlorophyll is being produced by the stalk itself. But if we look over here, and I'll do a creosote talk later, but watch out for the pups. But if you see like this creosote, it's got super fine leaves, and they have like a waxy film to them, and that is to maximize water retention. So that if you're in like a jungle, you'll have really broad leaves because they're in competition for light. There is no need for extra light here. What you're wanting to minimize the solar impact and the evaporation that takes place. So we have this technique of like tiny waxy leaves, and with the cacti we have the chlorophyll just being right in the trunk itself. Right.